Welcome to Florida's last hidden treasure, Okeechobee, a Seminole Indian word meaning big water. We're located at the northern tip of beautiful Lake Okeechobee. This outdoor paradise promises endless recreation. From biking the Herbert Hoover Dike in the early morning with the sunrise at your back, to hiking the Kissimmee Prairie and discovering rare species of plant life and birds along with other native Florida animals. After a bite to eat, head out to the range to fire a couple rounds at one of the multiple sport shooting facilities. Then meet up with the family for a relaxing dip in the pool or practice your swing on the back nine. End your day with a sunset cruise on Lake Okeechobee from a pontoon or airboat before returning to your comfy cabin or home away from home. Come for a visit or stay and enjoy. Whatever your pleasure, there's something for everyone. Biking, hiking, golfing, birding, hunting, shooting, fishing, stargazing, marshmallow roasting, photography, and more. Okeechobee, in the center of it all.